Go, go, Thomas! Choose a racer. Gordon. Thomas. Select your track. Thomas versus Gordon. Prepare your engines and get ready for the race. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Quick! Tap the special boost button. Perfect! Electric! Impressive tricks will grant you a short speed boost. Quick! Tap the special boost button. Winner! What an amazing race! Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Gordon. Prepare your engines and get ready for the race. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! You've taken the lead. The other racer has taken the lead. Perfect! Quick! Tap the special boost button. Winner! Wow! You did it! A new challenger appears. Thomas versus Diesel. Prepare your engines and get ready for the race. Welcome. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start! Quick! Tap the special boost button. What an amazing race!